Welcome to Naturazest. Welcome to our planet, a small documentary exploring the beauty and diversity of our planet's natural world. This is our planet, Earth. Our planet, Earth, is the only known planet capable of supporting life. It's home to an incredible array of plants, animals, and natural wonders. From the majestic elephant roaming the savannas to the tiny insects crawling in the forest, Earth is home to an estimated 8.7 million different species. The variety of plant life on Earth is equally impressive. From towering redwoods to delicate orchids, Earth's plants provide food and shelter for countless animals and play a vital role in maintaining the planet's ecosystems. Earth's natural resources are also a vital part of our world. From fossil fuels to minerals and fresh water, these resources have helped shape human civilization and continue to be a crucial part of our daily lives. The natural wonders of our planet are truly breathtaking. From the majestic peaks of Mount Everest to the depths of the Grand Canyon, these natural megaliths remind us of the incredible power and beauty of nature. Our planet is a unique and precious place, full of wonder and diversity. It's our responsibility to protect it for future generations to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing content.